This is awesome.
Yeah, bring it in. Bring it in. Look at it. Jazzy, where's my phone? Where's my phone?
There's a cop, Nick.
Right
There's
here.
a cop. There's a cop.
Right here.
Oh, shit. There's the cops.
Yeah, and they're
Put
coming
that
this
shit
way.
away. Put that shit away.
Ow.
Put it away. Put it away. Here come the cops. I mean, why would they be coming over here? They're lighting them.
Are you laying on the ground?
You got your pipe in my hand.
Well,
I would
Are they
hide
gonna
that
come
I
behind
over?
don't think they're gonna come up here.
No, I'm gonna. This up here, I'll throw it in the ditch.
They are.
Yep. Give me it.
Cops are stopping right here.
Just throw it if you have to.
No, I'll just throw it right here.
Oh, they're saying don't stop on the highway.
You guys can't stop on the highway.
Alright.
Alrighty.
Okay.
Man, well, that sucks. That's what we get in the car, Nick.
Holy crap.
Fucking Nick, why is he getting in the truck? What?
Fuck it.
What?
Did you get that pipe back?
Holy crap. That was so pretty.
Whose phone's ringing?
His.
Mine.
Did you get all your shit, Nick?
There's a couple things on the ground.
Well, pick them up!
Oh,
Are they still
that
good?
was so
No.
pretty.
They're already done in garbage.
Well, you don't need them, right?
No.
Well,
Fuck it.
Let's go.
We can't sit on the highway?
No, he said we can't, Nick. They're being dicks.
So how are we supposed to watch this shit?
You're supposed to be in somebody's yard. You can't sit there.
This is
They
so
just, they're
cool.
dicks,
Go
dude.
up to that
And
window.
you know what's really sad? It don't say no parking.
Turn around, we'll go up to that window. Hey, what's up? Are
That's
ya?
so pretty.
We are too. The cops just told us
They
we
can't
can't
stop.
sit on the highway. We were.
Look at that. This is so much better than we're seeing.
You can see it?
Yeah, right there.
Alright.
Dude, I don't.
They will talk to you later.
Yeah, shit. I'm not gonna pull over here and some cops
We
said
gotta
that.
turn around.
Well,
Why is my camera doing that?
That's
That's
we'll be
awesome.
alright. We got a lot to get. We got that one farm right
I'm
now.
sitting in the ditch.
Yeah.
It looks so cool. All that.
Turn around. Right this side. Right here.
Look like the perfect driver to sit in. You don't know. Whose house is this? Fuck. It's like Tim B's actually. Actually video record all this.
Not all of it.
I mean, I don't always say anything if I sit in their driveway, man, but,
So we're gonna sit here?
I don't know.
Well,
Right here, let me go grab that
I
box.
don't know, it'd be better for
I'm
sitting
gonna feel
down
like
there.
Oh no.
No, I'm like,
Oh.
No, you can't light them here, Nick. This is somebody's house. They might be sitting outside
Yeah.
going, what the fuck? They don't might not want to sit.